My name is Gerald Cipolla of the Cipolla Law Group. I'm an attorney at the Cipolla Law Group. The Cipolla Law Group is an immigration law firm. We work on all types of different immigration matters. Today I would like to talk about what is immigration status. In a previous video we talked about what is an immigration visa, which is distinguished from immigration status. So let's assume, as in a previous example, somebody wants to come into the United States and go see a relative, or go visit the Golden Gate Bridge in California, or go visit New York or Chicago. They would get a tourist visa. And so in the previous video we discussed they would get off the airplane or present themselves to Customs and Border Patrol at the port of entry in Canada or in Mexico. And so they will go to Mr. and Mrs. Customs Border Patrol and they'll show their passport with the visa stamp inside of there. And the Customs and Border Patrol will go through their examination and determine everything is fine. They will say, okay, what is your purpose of your entry into the United States? And you'll say, I want to go visit my relative, or I want to go visit the Golden Gate Bridge, or I want to do all the above. And so then they will admit you into B1, B2 status, or whatever type of visa you had, they will admit you into that type of status. And so your B1, B2 visa, or whatever type of visa, will have an expiration date. That's different than the expiration date of your status. So you'll come in to the United States on your B1, B2, on your tourist status, and it'll have an expiration date. And they'll say, usually for a B1, B2, they'll give you 6 months. So you can stay for up to 6 months on your B1, B2 status. So you had your B1, B2 visa, your ticket to enter the United States, Customs and Border Patrol admitted you, and now they've admitted you onto a B1, B2 status, or a type of status. And so your visa stamp may expire 10 years from now, 5 years, depending on how much time they give you on your visa stamp. But that's different than the type of expiration status, or the date that your status expires inside the United States. So they may give you 6 months. It doesn't mean you have to stay that 6 months. You may only be coming in for a few days, and that's perfectly fine. You just can't exceed that expiration date. If you do, there's different things that you need to do along at that time. But generally, for like a tourist visa, you're coming in for a short period of time. Sometimes you have to maybe get medical treatment or something else, and you can stay for a extended period of time. But Customs Border Patrol will dictate in terms of your status into the United States. So this video was intended to distinguish between a visa and status in the United States. So if you have any questions about this topic or any other immigration topic, we love your questions. Feel free to reach out to us through our website, through Facebook, through YouTube, Twitter. We love to hear from you. So looking forward to talking to you again. Thank you.